Today's topic is completing your financial affidavit. If you're just thinking about divorce or just beginning the process, completing your financial affidavit is very important, as it will create the foundation for future settlement negotiations for your divorce. Today, I'm going to share 3 tips on how to get that done. First, you want to make sure that you identify your expenses. I suggest that you go through credit card statements, checking account statements for the last 12 months, and identify an average for those costs. Also, identify things that might be owed in the future. So for example, if you have a mortgage currently, but you might be seeking an apartment or renting, the expense might be considerably higher than you're currently paying on that mortgage. Maybe you have to go back to work and there's daycare. So you want to include those items in your expense list, but you want to exclude those that might belong to your spouse. For example, if they have a car payment, you wouldn't include that, but you'd include your car payment. Next, you want to identify what you own and what you owe. You could start by just looking around your house. Do you own a house? Do you have cars? Is there jewelry? Are there pensions? Now you want to start looking at maybe tax returns. You want to look at maybe a Schedule B or a D, a K1. There's a plethora of information in there. You also want to look at maybe some credit reports, yours, and if you can also get your spouse's, that would be helpful, because depending on whether you live in a community property state or an equitable property state, you might actually owe on debt that your spouse has in their name that you don't even know about. Lastly, you want to really define your income. What does your family earn? So you want to list all your income sources, but I would also make notes as far as your spouse's. Is there a pension? Is there Social Security? Is there trust income? You want to list all of those things. That way you can also help validate your spouse's financial affidavit as well. So my name is Michelle Petrowski. I'm a certified financial planner, a certified divorce financial analyst and mediator with Being Mindful in Divorce. You can follow me on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook. You can also set up a 30-minute Q&A call with me at my website, beingmindfulindivorce.com. Thank you for joining me today.